Let's be honest. Most salaried people secretly believe wealth is reserved for entrepreneurs, influencers, or lucky lottery winners. You work hard, collect that paycheck, and yet the bank balance never grows beyond a few digits. You scroll through your phone at night wondering, how do people build real wealth while I'm stuck in this paycheck cycle? Here's the truth. You don't need a business empire or rich parents. You just need a plan. A system to turn your salary into assets that work harder than you do. And that's exactly what we're breaking down today. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your monthly income build equity, create invisible income streams, and set you up for long-term financial freedom, starting from zero. If you're ready to unlock your potential and achieve more, hit subscribe. We're dedicated to delivering actionable tips and real-life success stories. Let's begin. Number 1. Treat your salary like a seed, not a prize. Most people treat their salary like a celebration. They get paid, they spend, they start over next month. That's the loop keeping millions broke. Wealthy individuals think differently. They treat their income like fuel, not fireworks. Every paycheck is a seed that can either be eaten today or planted for tomorrow. So when your salary hits your account, divide it into two categories: grow and go. The grow part is money that multiplies. The go part is what you spend to live. Start small. Maybe a portion of your income automatically goes into an investment account. Don't think of that as saving. Think of it as buying your financial freedom in installments. Over time, those tiny contributions become equity in dividend-paying ETFs, growth stocks, or even real estate funds. Every month, your money starts working on its own clock, producing passive income while you focus on your career. The goal is not to earn more and spend more. It's to earn, invest, and expand your portfolio. Wealth doesn't come from luck. It comes from turning your income into assets. And the best part? You can start this today, even with your next paycheck. Number 2. Build a money flow system, not random savings. Savings don't make you rich. Systems do. A lot of salaried people rely on willpower. They hope to save what's left at the end of the month. But guess what? Nothing's ever left. Instead, automate your wealth-building process. The moment your salary arrives, automate transfers. One for living, one for investing, one for safety. That's how the rich operate. Their wealth grows automatically, not accidentally. You don't need to complicate it with 10 apps or financial jargon. Just a clear flow. Salary in, expenses out, investments automated. When money leaves your account before you touch it, you stop being your own obstacle. Think of it as running your life like a company. You're the CEO, your paycheck is revenue, your expenses are costs, your investments are profits being reinvested for future growth. You stop chasing money and start managing it like an asset manager. And the result? Predictable, consistent growth that feels almost effortless. Number 3. Upgrade your skill set, your first and best investment. Here's something most people ignore. Your ability to earn more is your most powerful wealth-building tool. You can't save your way to freedom if your income never grows. That's why the smartest salaried people treat self-education like an asset class. Think of every new skill as an investment with compounding returns. When you learn negotiation, financial literacy, or a new digital skill, your market value increases. That's your personal version of capital appreciation. Your salary doesn't double by accident. It doubles when your value in the marketplace does. Read books on leadership, learn investing basics, take online courses, or get certifications that boost your expertise. The return on that is far higher than any stock market in the short term. The truth is, wealthy people never stop upgrading their skills because they understand one secret. You are your biggest appreciating asset. Once your income expands, your investments do too. That's when compounding really explodes. And here's the fun part. Once your income grows, you don't have to increase your lifestyle immediately. Keep your expenses stable, invest the extra. That's how you quietly build wealth while others just build image. Number 4. Start building your wealth engine, even with small amounts. The biggest myth about investing is that you need big money to start. No, you don't. Wealth begins when you invest consistently, not when you invest a lot. Let's say you invest small portions of your salary every month into ETFs, mutual funds, or blue-chip dividend stocks. Over time, that portfolio starts generating dividend income, cash flow that's not tied to your job. That's how wealth begins to detach from effort. You're no longer just earning from your work. You're earning from your ownership. Think of it like planting multiple income trees. At first, the growth seems slow, but as the years pass, the dividends grow, the portfolio appreciates, and one day, your money quietly makes more than your active income. You don't need to monitor it daily. Just pick reliable funds, set up automatic contributions, and let compound growth do the heavy lifting. Number 5. Build invisible income streams. Your salary is your starting point, not your ceiling. Once you've built a habit of saving and investing, start developing small side streams of income. This could be digital products, freelancing, real estate funds, or even dividend reinvestment plans. These are invisible income sources. You build them once, they keep paying you. For example, owning shares that pay quarterly dividends or investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, gives you recurring cash flow without trading your time. When you use that extra income to buy more assets, you enter what the wealthy call the flywheel phase, where money creates more money. This is the phase that silently transforms an employee into an investor. Number 6. Automate your wealth growth. The rich aren't more disciplined. They're just better at designing systems that don't depend on willpower. Set up automatic investments into your chosen ETFs, dividend stocks, or index funds every month. That's dollar-cost averaging in action, buying regularly, regardless of market ups or downs. Automation removes emotions. It keeps you investing when everyone else panics during market dips, and that's when real wealth is built. It's the same logic hedge funds and robo-advisors use. Consistent, unemotional investing wins. When your investments are automated, your portfolio diversifies naturally, your risk reduces, and your growth compounds quietly in the background. This system builds what we call invisible momentum, the kind of financial progress that's not flashy but unstoppable. You can go months without checking your account. Then one day you realize your equity value doubled simply because you stayed consistent. That's the power of automation. You make decisions once, and they reward you forever. Each small source of cash flow is like an additional worker in your team, contributing to your financial freedom goal. You won't see the full results immediately, but give it a few years, and those invisible streams start creating real, tangible independence. Number 7. Control lifestyle inflation before it controls you. One promotion, one raise, and suddenly new gadgets, better restaurants, maybe even a bigger apartment. That's lifestyle inflation, the silent thief of financial progress. Wealthy people avoid this trap because they know every upgrade delays freedom. When your income grows, don't let your lifestyle grow at the same pace. Keep your expenses stable and redirect the increase into assets. Think of it like this. Every time you resist upgrading something, you're buying another piece of your financial independence. That's not deprivation. That's strategy. Your future self doesn't want a luxury watch. It wants freedom from working for money. Control lifestyle inflation early, and you'll build a surplus, money that keeps compounding quietly. Over a few years, that discipline becomes the difference between financial stress and total peace of mind. Number 8. Diversify your asset classes. If all your money lives in a savings account, you're losing to inflation. Real wealth comes from owning different kinds of assets, each playing a unique role. A well-rounded portfolio for a salaried person could include equity investments, like ETFs or dividend stocks, fixed income instruments, like bonds, and tangible assets, like real estate funds or commodities. Diversification protects you from volatility while maximizing growth. When stocks dip, bonds hold. When markets rally, equity surges. When inflation hits, real assets help balance it out. This is the same principle hedge funds use, multiple income engines working together. Don't chase what's trending. Instead, focus on steady asset allocation. Diversify smartly, rebalance yearly, and stay consistent. Over time, your portfolio becomes a self-sustaining ecosystem that grows in any market climate. That's how you shift from just having savings to owning an investment portfolio that works like a mini hedge fund. And one more thing keep in mind, short-term thinking keeps you broke. Long-term vision makes you unstoppable. If you can delay gratification, you can beat 90% of people financially. Instead of asking, "What can I buy with my next paycheck?" start asking, "What will this investment be worth in 10 years?" Remember, wealth isn't an event. It's a timeline. If you think long enough, act disciplined enough, and stay consistent enough, you'll wake up one day financially unshakable. I'm dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom through right knowledge. If this video resonated with you, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more wisdom. If that sparked your interest, the next video will blow your mind. See you inside.